Hey everyone, this is Rowena Healy with Birmingham Homes Online and Keller Williams Vestavia. I am in Everlee in this particular section called Primrose, and this home that I'm about to show you is available right now. It is luxurious. It is $685,000. It is move-in ready, completely finished, brand new construction, never lived in. Just look at these finishes, the colors, the decor, the flooring, high ceilings. This video and pictures just does not do this home justice. If you are interested in looking at a 55 plus community in Birmingham, specifically Hoover and Primrose and Everlee, give me a call for this spectacular home.